Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make a question mark block, Paper Mario style. First, place the yellow sheet of paper with dotted lines face up. Change the position by 90 degrees, then fold in half. Change the folding face by 180 degrees, then fold in half vertically. Bring the top part over, open it up, and flatten to make a triangle. Turn it over and do the same to match with the other side. Take the top right flap and fold along the vertical center line, then do the same for the top left flap. Fold inward at the dotted lines for both right and left, one at a time. Fold down at the dotted line and tuck it in the pocket. Do the same for the other side. Turn it over. Repeat the same folding process you just followed. Then carefully open it up to make a cube, which turns into a question mark block, Paper Mario style. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!